What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. So of course today is Friday, and that means it's Financial Friday. And for those of you who are new around here, that means we talk about finances on this Friday. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 different completely free investment tools you guys can use going forward in the future. So from these investment tools, these different websites, I've used about 3 or 4 of them, and one of them I use on a consistent basis. A couple of them I use every now and then, but like I said, I've used 3 or 4 of them overall. So hopefully you guys can use these. They're completely free. Everyone likes free things. Everyone likes making money. So what's better than having free tools to help you guys make some money? But before we even get into that today, I think you guys can see that I've showed dedication, because right now I'm currently in England actually while you're watching this video, and so I would like us to hit 30 likes on today's video. Today's Financial Friday. Let's hit 30 likes. Show me you guys appreciate my dedication. Show me you guys appreciate my hard work, consistently uploading, still making daily videos even while I'm on a break. But either way, like I said, 30 likes on today's video. Now added to that, we do not forget to add the comments. Drop the comments, Let me know what your thoughts are on the video. Let me know if there are other free tools you guys use. Let me know if there are different websites you guys use for investing. Also, if you're new around here, please make sure to hit that red button below, subscribe to this channel. This channel is the Money Management. I upload a video each and every day regarding all things money. Finance, stocks, investing tips, saving tips, budgeting, money advice, my financial mistakes, all sorts of stuff. So if you're new around here, like I said, hit that red button below to subscribe to the channel, and so you can enjoy more videos like this in the future. Now lastly, but most importantly, please make sure we also share these videos with your friends. I can see how many videos you guys are sharing with your friends, so make sure you guys are sharing these videos, get them out to more people, put them in front of more people's eyes, help more people when it comes to making financial decisions, making money, all that good stuff. But now let's talk about those 5 different investment tools, websites you guys can use to invest, especially if you're a new trader, new investor in the stock market. So the first one, my favorite, the one I use on a consistent daily basis, Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is a free website. You can see all sorts of stuff on there. You can see RSIs, you can see MACDs, you can put whatever indicators you want. Add to that, what I like about Yahoo Finance is you can put all sorts of different watch lists there. I have about 7 different watch lists based on dividends, based on long-term growth stocks, based on what I've got in my portfolio now, based on what I'm looking at this current day. Everything is on there. You have multiple resources there. You have news, you have so much going on there. I definitely advise you guys using Yahoo Finance if you've not used it already. It provides all sorts of stuff on there. Yahoo Finance obviously owned by Yahoo, if you guys know what Yahoo is, if you've ever had a Yahoo email. But on Yahoo Finance, you can see financial news, data, commentary, updates on stocks, stock prices, what's hot right now, what maybe other people are watching when you look at a stock. All these things are available on Yahoo Finance. It's one of those tools that I use for personal finance management because, like I said, it's got everything you need there. I can talk all day about Yahoo Finance. It's honestly one of the best tools I've ever used, and there's a reason I use it on a daily basis. Like I said, not only for my watch list and that kind of thing, but also just looking at financial reports, looking at PE ratios. It really breaks down the vital information on each and every stock. So if you want to check out different companies, know a little bit more, just jump onto Yahoo Finance, type in your stock in the search bar, find out what news is going on in the stock, find out what stock price it is now, a year ago, 5 years ago, find out all the good stuff you need right there on Yahoo Finance. 2, CNBC News. Now CNBC News is probably the most heard of from this list I'm going to give you, and CNBC News is another one I used to use in the past. Now when it comes to CNBC News, they provide real-time market coverage, they provide live updates, they have their own TV channel, that's why it's called CNBC News. They have what you need there to keep up with your stocks on a daily basis. Now the good thing about CNBC News, which I also like about it, it's just business orientated overall. They have different people speaking on there, different people who know about their financial analysis, financial breakdowns. They talk about obviously what they know, and you can listen to it. For people who like listening to things, CNBC News is great. You don't have to do anything like Yahoo Finance. You're probably always the person looking, doing the research, finding out things. But CNBC News, you're there, you can just listen to it. Put it on in the background on your TV. If you don't have CNBC News on your satellite box or your cable, go onto the website, cnbcnews.com. Find out everything you need to do on there. CNBC News also have apps, so you always have access to them. No matter if you've got an iPhone, Android, you use tablets, you use Samsungs, whatever you have, CNBC News is accessible to you. 3, Investopedia. Investopedia was actually the first one I ever learned about from all the ones I'm going to talk about today. Investopedia, well, it says it in the name. Investing. It's purely about investing. It provides you with the financial education you need. It's pretty much like a Wikipedia, but for investing. Like I said, it says it in the name, Investopedia. It has everything you need. It's your encyclopedia for financial investments. It's your investment education. It's your financial education. It provides what you need when it comes to reviewing, ratings, financial statement, financial terms, stock terms, personal finance information. Of course, like I said, it's an encyclopedia. It's pretty much an encyclopedia for finance. So there are thousands of different terms that you can learn from Investopedia. So if you ever come across stocks, you don't know what a stock split is, or you don't know what growth stock is or dividend stock, you can find all of that on Investopedia. Like I said, that was the first one I used from this list. And so obviously when it comes to foundations, when it comes to investing, this one is perfect. For you guys who are new to investing, Investopedia will be ideal for you. Another good thing about Investopedia, which a lot of people don't actually know, is it provides actual comparison between brokerage accounts and breaks it down for you. So you might be able to find what also best suits you in that case. And again, like I said, just use it if you're new to the market, if you're not invested in before. Just try things out using Investopedia. You can search things up on there, find things up on there. Everything you need is there. The financial terms, financial education, the investing education, banking education, accounting education, accounting information, financial terms. It's all there. Like I said, it's your encyclopedia, your dictionary when it comes to finance. So I definitely recommend all of you guys try out Investopedia, and especially those of you who are new, try out Investopedia. 4. Investing.com. Investing.com is one of those websites where you find all sorts of financial analysis. Investing.com is a global financial portal that provides news, analysis, stock updates, technical data, financial information, and pretty much everything you need when it comes down to tools regarding financial markets. Now, Investing.com is more complicated for those of you who are out there in trading. So maybe if you've been in the market a few months, or you want to start taking that step up to the next level, then it's probably relevant to you. But Investing.com is, again, more for those more advanced people. Investing.com is another one of those that is easily accessible. You have the website, you have it on your mobile apps, your iPhone, your Samsung, and also Investing.com is also available in many different languages. I think there are 24 different languages that Investing.com is available in, so those of you who are not only English speakers, that is relevant for you. The good thing about Investing.com is, just like Investopedia, it provides you, the breakdowns of what bonds are, commodities are, stocks are, these kind of bits of information. Investing.com provides a broad analysis of all different financial areas. So for those of you who are new to the stock market, Investing.com might not be as relevant for you, but for those of you who have been in the market a little bit of time, Investing.com is definitely relevant for you. Investing.com is actually the only tool from this list, the only website that I've actually never used. Obviously, I've heard about it, I've seen it, but I've never really used it properly. So Investing.com is probably something I'll use in the future, but so far it has not been relevant to me. Either way, I do know a little bit about Investing.com, for I've heard what other people have said, I've seen other people try it out. But like I said, Investing.com is another one of those tools that you guys can use. 5. MarketWatch. Now, MarketWatch is another one that literally says what it is in the title. MarketWatch is one of those websites that provides you with financial information, business news, analysis, data, watching what's going on with the market. Now, some of you may not actually know, but Market.com is actually a subsidiary of Dow Jones and Company. So that means it's got the insights, it's actually one of those websites which is similar to the Wall Street Journal. And of course, Market.com literally provides all sorts of stock analysis breakdowns. Stock analysis data, what stocks are hot, what stocks are doing right now, which stocks are up by a certain percentage, which stocks have been, large gainers on the day, large losers. MarketWatch provides all of that. I've used MarketWatch in the past. It's a pretty good tool, I'd say. Not my favorite from this list, but like I said, it's again another good tool that you guys can use for investing. So the reason I've given you guys these different websites today is because these websites can help you stay informed. These websites can help you learn a little bit more about stocks, investing, words you've never heard before, financial terms, open your eyes to new opportunities, research new opportunities, help you grow your wealth eventually. But I think if you just want to get started investing, these are some great websites you guys can check out. Just try them out, look around, see what's going on with them. Have a look, have a play around, see what, maybe what's best for you when it comes to Yahoo Finance, making your different watch lists, whether it comes to Investopedia, just learning about basic financial terms. Everybody has different needs and different expectations when it comes to the stock market. So based on whatever your needs are, whatever your expectations are, go on these websites, check them out, and see what works best for you. The good thing is, they're completely free, and guess what? Like I said at the beginning of the video, they help you grow your wealth. That's what we all want to do. We want to grow our wealth. Some of you guys are new to the market. It will take you some time to grow your wealth. Some of you have already been growing your wealth. You've seen your stock portfolio rise 12, 15% in the last couple of years. You've seen crazy gains. That's good for you. But you can still always continue to learn, continue to make new efforts to research new opportunities, find out what stocks could be great, multiply 5x in the next 10 years. All the stuff that you need to grow your portfolio. Because we never want to stop learning. This channel is a channel created for higher aspiring people. People with big goals, big dreams, who have huge targets, want to get financially independent, want to make a lot of money, want to succeed in life financially. So hopefully today I've also helped you guys when it comes to that. Like I said, check out these different websites. They're all free. They're all useful. I've used 3 or 4 of them. One of them I didn't really use much. I've seen it. But like I've already said, just try different things out and see what suits you best. Tomorrow is the weekend. I have no idea if there's going to be a video or not. But either way, you guys stick around, to see what's coming in the next couple of days. Also, please let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, when it comes to stocks, when it comes to marketing, when it comes to analysis, when it comes to whatever it may be. There's so many different things when it comes to money. This is the money management. We talk about all of it. But thanks a lot for watching today's video. Make sure you guys check out those links in the description. We've got Time Your Watches, my smartwatch company. We've got a free stock for you guys if you're new to the stock market, if you sign up through Robinhood. Also, we have free cryptocurrency through Bitcoin, through Coinbase. Lastly, we have my affiliate marketing program for my smartwatch company. Also, that first link in the description is a free guide to making online profits. So for those of you who are new to online business, maybe check that one out. Again, it's completely free. I know you guys love your free tools. But thanks a lot for watching today's video. Again, let's hit those likes today. Keep up the support, keep up the good work. But that's today's video, guys. I go into making, you go into making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.